Hey there, kitchen explorers. Welcome to Gadgets Ranks. Ever wish cooking could feel less like a chore and more like a fun experiment? Well, today we're diving into 7 crazy kitchen gadgets that will blow your mind and level up your cooking game. Trust me, you'll want all of these in your kitchen. Let's get started. First up, the portable mini sealing machine. Say goodbye to stale snacks. This compact gadget lets you reseal opened packets in seconds, keeping your chips and cookies as fresh as the day you bought them. Small, powerful, and super handy. This is one gadget every snack lover needs. Next, we have the rotatable faucet attachment. Washing veggies or cleaning your sink just got a whole lot easier. Its 360-degree rotation and splash-proof design make it a must-have for anyone who loves a clean kitchen, but hates the mess. Spills and crumbs? No problem with the VROKLA Mini Mop. This tiny cleaning wizard has a self-squeezing feature and absorbent pads that make quick cleanups a breeze. Perfect for those moments when your kitchen feels more like a battlefield. Tired of crying over onions? The Pigeon Handy Vegetable Chopper is here to save the day. With just a few pulls of its string, you'll have perfectly chopped veggies, ready for your next masterpiece. Plus, it's compact and easy to clean. Win-win. For all the seafood lovers out there, meet the stainless steel fish scale remover. It's sharp, durable, and designed to keep your workspace clean while making fish prep a breeze. Say goodbye to the struggle and hello to perfect fillets. Love fresh coconut in your dishes but hate the hassle? The Wander Chef Coconut Scraper is your new best friend. Its sturdy design and sharp blades make coconut scraping faster and safer than ever. Perfect for adding that tropical twist to your meals. Finally, let's talk about health. The HSR stainless steel sprout maker helps you grow fresh, healthy sprouts at home with minimal effort. Its tiered design lets you sprout different grains at once, making it ideal for health-conscious foodies. And there you have it. 7 crazy kitchen gadgets that combine fun and functionality. Whether you're a pro chef or just starting your cooking journey, these tools will make your time in the kitchen exciting and efficient. Which gadget is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing kitchen hacks and gadgets. Until next time, happy cooking.